Hi, good morning, my dear children. How are you? Fine? Yeah, madam also doing fine. Okay, today we are going to start a new block. How many blocks we completed? We have completed 3 blocks. Now we are going to start the 4th block. Block 4. What is the name of our new block? Our new block is work people do. Try to read this, all of you. Read with me. Work people do. Spelling of work. W O L K. Work. So now today we will find out the work done by different people. Okay. Before that, I want to ask you one question. Are you ready to answer? Yes, I know that you are all good kids. So let me ask the question. Yes. Who am I? Children, my question is, who am I? Me. Yes, I am a teacher. Very good. I am your teacher. What is my job? What work I am doing now? Teaches the kids. The work of teacher is to teach the kids. Good. Shall we find out some other works done by other people? Ready? Ready. Before that, we can do one activity in notebook. You have to draw and write what you want to become when you grow up. You understood my question? What you want to become? Because some students like to become a policeman. Yes, he said that he want to become a policeman. If you want to become a policeman, you have to be very healthy, and you have to be very strong physically. Okay. Yes, she want to become a teacher. Then everyone have some wishes, no? What want to be in the future. So you have to draw and write what you want to become when you grow up. Okay. Will you do that? Okay, do it now. Children, have you completed the notebook work? Okay, then listen here, all of you. Listen here. Okay. Each of the people have some specific works to do. All are doing some job. Why the people need to do some works or job? Yes, because they need to earn some money. People are doing some works to earn some money. Instead of job, we can use another word. Okay, that is profession. I will write it on the board. Instead of job, we can use another word, that is profession. You just look at the spelling of this, children. Profession. Profession. Okay, what is a profession? People of a profession are trained to do the work, and also they can earn money by doing this work. So each people belongs to each profession, and they are well trained to do that job. Now we can see some pictures. Okay, first, which picture? Whose picture is this? What work are they doing? Tell me, children. Okay, we can write it on the board. Ready? What is the first picture? Which person is there in the first picture? Yes, you can find it out easily. It's a teacher. What is the job of teacher? That we discussed in the beginning itself, right? Yes, what is the job of teacher? What work are they doing? Teachers, kids. Okay. Then see the next picture. What work are they doing? It's a doctor. Good. And what work are they doing? Doctors are giving medicine. When we are not well, we will go to hospital and he will give us some medicine. Okay. So who is in the next picture, children? Tailor. What is the job of tailor? What is the work of tailor? Who stitches your clothes? Who stitches your uniform for you? Yes, the work of tailor is to stitch. Tailor stitches clothes. Then you can see the next picture. Who is in the picture? Yeah, the person is making shoes. Which person is making shoes? We can call them cobbler. What we can call them? Say loud, all of you. Cobbler. Very good. So, what is the work of cobbler? Cobbler makes shoes. Then, who is in the next picture? Tell me. The person is making furniture. Yes, he is carpenter. Very good. Carpenter the work done by the carpenter makes furniture. So in this lesson, children, you have to learn the spelling of all these words. Not a difficult task. Okay, you try with letter sound. You can easily write all the words. Okay, each word you try with the letter sounds. Which are the keywords from this lesson we need to learn? One is profession, job, teacher, doctor, tailor, cobbler, carpenter. Okay, and you have to now we have to complete the workbook also. Don't worry, madam is here to help you. Okay, shall we complete the workbook? Yes, open the workbook, all of you. We need to complete S1 in the workbook. What do you have to do first? First you have to write the date on the top. Okay, have you entered the date on the top? Good. Then one question only in S1 to complete the table. Some beautiful pictures are given here. First, the people are there and the people belongs in different professions are given there, and the next column, who am I? Who am I? That we need to write here. Then the next, what is my job? What work are they doing? That is what you need to write here. The first one is already done for you. It's a driver. You have to write the third column, you have to fill in the same way. Okay, I drive a bus and other vehicles. I drive a bus and other vehicles. Then who is in the next picture? Who am I? Yes, She is selling vegetables. What is she doing? She is selling vegetables. Who is this? She is a vegetable seller. What is she doing? I told you just before. Write it. Okay. Then the person who is working hard in the farm. These people are growing crops for us. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Who is this? He is a farmer. Okay. What work are they doing? Farmer is? Write it. Okay. Then next person, very familiar for you. Okay. What is she doing? She is a good. She is a tailor. Then the last person is, what is he doing? He is taking care of the plants in the garden. Which person is this? You learned about this person already in the previous blogs, right? Okay, write it off. Write this also. Okay. Children, now we are moving to the second lesson of the fourth block. The lesson's name is My Workplace. Read the heading, all of you. My workplace. Okay. What is the job done by your family members? Yes, there will be a lot of people belongs to different professions. Doctors will be there, teachers will be there, engineers will be there. Okay. Different people are doing different works. Because that is their profession, they are trained to do that work. That we learn already. Yes. Now what we are going to do? What we are going to study, you know? Now this lesson is to study about the workplace of different people. Can all people do all the works from all the places? No. Who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. That you know. I am a teacher by my profession. Where I am standing now? You can see the blackboard here. Some books are here. Everything is here. Chalk piece is here. Duster is here. So where am I standing now? Yes, very good. I am in school. Okay. I am at school. The people from different profession need a specific place also to work. Can a teacher teach from the middle of a road? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So a teacher need a workplace. Which is the workplace of teacher? School. Okay. Students, I will write the names of different professions on the board. Will you help me to identify the workplace of those people? Actually, I need your help. I don't know anything. Okay. You should help me. Okay. I will write it. Okay. Teacher's workplace, I told you already. Teacher's workplace is school. Next is doctor. Doctor, where is the workplace of doctor? Where are you going when you got fever? Yes, what place? Hospital. Hospital. Then the next. Nurse. Where is the workplace of nurse? Same. Doctor and nurse both are working at the same workplace. Okay. So both are working in hospital. Okay. One boy told me he want to become a policeman in future. So tell me, where is the workplace of policeman? Tell me. Policeman is working in police station. STATION. Police station. So we can say that different people need different workplaces to do their work in a better way. From that workplace only they will get all the things that they need to work easily. Okay. For an example, for a teacher, it is school. Their workplace is school. From school, teacher can get all the things. Books, classroom, blackboard, chalks, pen, pencil, everything a teacher gets from the school. So school is the workplace of teacher. For a doctor, he also will get all the things from the hospital. Understood? I hope you understood everything. Very easy, no? Yes, easy to understand. But children, you have to give focus on the keywords. What you have to do is to read the content book 2-3 times every day. Then you can write simple words also easily. Reading make you more perfect. Okay. Okay, we can write some more people and we have to identify their workplace also. Firefighter. Where is the workplace of firefighter? Firefighter's workplace is fire station. Fire station. Where is the workplace of farmer? FARMER. Farmer's workplace is farm. Vegetable seller. Where is the workplace of vegetable seller? Market. Then where is the workplace of gardener? Garden. Okay, now you understood everything. Shall we complete the workbook now? The second lesson? Ready? Ready. This is the second lesson of your workbook from block 4. Write the date all of you first and we have to complete this table. One question only. Here also one question only. First we have to identify the person and we have to write who am I, who is this person and what is their job and workplace too. First is done already for you for an example. Then next is from the picture itself we can understand who is the next person. He is trying to put out the fire. Yes, who is this person? Fire fighter. Good. Then the next person, about the workplace and all we discussed already. So you try to complete it without anyone's help. Then the next person has death. Who is this person? Doctor. Good. Then next one. Yes, he is a policeman. Good. Then the next person stitching clothes. Who is this? Tailor. Okay. So children, we have completed 2 lessons from block 4. Read content book. I am again and again telling the same. Read content book 2-3 times and complete this workbooks and send the photos to me. Study well. Write all the keywords repeated times in the notebook. Stay safe. Thank you.